Welcome to Tech ARK IT YouTube channel. In this video session, we are going to learn about difference between the codes in the sense. So the quotation marks which we use for whenever you are writing the shell scripts, example say that double quotations and the single quotations and the reverse quotations. Okay, how it makes difference whenever you are writing the double quotations or the single quotations, okay, whatever it is, then how you are, what they do actually. Okay, example, so I'm going to make my script, okay, as codes, okay, and go to scripts, and my profile is, my codes file is created. Okay, this is my code file. So the purpose is that verifying difference between quotation marks. Okay, so version 1.0. Let's see that. Example, I am specifying some variables over here. The variable name is var1 equal to example 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the test I am specifying is that tech ARKIT, something like this. Okay, so both the things I provided over here, and I am writing over here, it is that verifying in the double quotes. Okay, double quotes. So here echo, I am calling in the double quotes, saying that execute double quotes $var1 and $test. So I am calling both the variables over here, so that variable values would be printed over here. So again, now I am using single quotes. Okay, so what does this single quotes do? Okay, echo, and sorry, it should be single quote, and say execute single quotes, okay, $var1 and $test. And now I am calling over here, it is that reverse quotes, okay, echo, and I am writing in the reverse code saying that host name. Okay, echo, sorry, I already written something like this over here, and in the double quotation over here I am writing something like this, this host name is this one, something like this, and this is where my script ends. Okay, I specified both the variables over here, two variables, and that variables I'm calling over here and saying what does variables do. Okay, so let me explain the scripts again. So this is the shebang value, and just written the some metadata over here and all the stuff, and I assigned a variable 1. That variable 1 value is that 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the one more variable is called test, and that test value is, the test variable value is tech ARKIT. Okay, this variable value I am calling over here, both the values I am calling over here. If I execute this one, so execute double quotes, it should execute this way. Instead of $var1, it should print this 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it is also print this one tech ARKIT, it should print. In the single quotations I am also calling in the same way. Okay, in the reverse quotes, so in reverse quote, this is the below the escape character. So here we cannot call any variable in this quotations. Actually, this is the host name is a command I am executing in the subshell, and this command output will be displayed over here. This is about the script, and let's go and execute it, how it's do that. Okay, so whenever we execute the output, we can understand that sh, I am executing the codes.sh file. So now what it is displayed, execute double quotes is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and take ark. In the sense, the var1 variable is executed and the test variable also is executed, but in the single quotations, what is the value which is executed? So var1 and test. So what is the difference over here? In the single quotations, whatever you pass, that will be printed as it is without any if you call any special characters, it will be executed as it is. There is no change in that. Okay, if you put anything over here, it will be printed as it is. So that is the difference. And the host name is take care KIT over here. So the host name is printed over here. So if you want to call something different, example, say instead of host name you wanted to print any command over here, you can call example date or calendar, something like this. So you can print that values over here. Okay, okay, this is the things. So this is the difference between the single quotes and double quotes and reverse quotes. The double quote is used to specify the values. If you specify the variables also, it will execute. Okay, so and if within the single quotes, if you pass anything or special characters, it will be printed as it is. There is no change in that. And reverse quote is used to pass the commands on the go. That reverse code will be executed on the subshell and output will be displayed on the terminal. Okay, that's about this session. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. Please follow us on social networking sites. If you have any technical related questions, you can ask